everybody, Dan and Leslie back. We are in Animal Kingdom today to do a sneak peek of the Better Zoogether show, which is the show that is replacing the It's Tough to Be a Bug inside the Tree of Life. So we are spending the whole day at Animal Kingdom. I think we're gonna ride Kilimanjaro Safari. I think we're gonna make our way out to Rafiki's Planet Watch and learn how to draw a Zootopia character and see what else we can get into.
Up first is Kilimanjaro Safaris. We love this ride.
And it's nice and cool today, so hopefully the animals will be super active.
It is lovely out here. 68 degrees and it is 1:30 p.m. and 68 degrees here. This is fantastic.
Awesome.
And the standby wait was only 10 minutes, but we have lighting lights.
And as we like to say, twin day, that means let's go. Jumbo everyone, my name is Anna and I will be your safari guide today. I have a couple of safety reminders for you. Keep all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. The Nile crocodile. They are the largest crocodilian species in Africa, reaching 16 feet long and 500 pounds. Our Maasai giraffes, the group of them is called a tower because they tower over the savannah. Adults can be 13 to 20 feet tall. They will be almost 6 feet tall when they are born. They do have very long necks. They actually have the same number of neck vertebrae that we humans do, which is 7. Theirs are just a lot larger than ours are. These of elephants, the African and the Asian. The African is larger and distinguished by their bigger ears, which they will flap to help cool down. They can also use their trunks to pick up dirt, mud, and hay.
We just finished up Kilimanjaro Safaris. It was one of the better safaris that we've been on because the cast member had so many fun facts that I hadn't heard before, so that was really exciting, and the animals were moving around and stuff, so that was good. Anyway, now one of our favorite things to do after we finish that is to hop right into Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail.
A lot of things about Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail, but chief among them is that there is no queue to get into this experience, so it is just a walk through at your own pace experience, which is really, really nice. There's no lightning lanes you need, nothing like that. There's actually 2 of these trails in the park, so Gorilla Falls is right after you're exiting off of Kilimanjaro Safari, then over by Kali River Rapids, you've got the other one, the Maharaja Jungle Trek. Love them both.
All right, if you're looking to plan your next magical vacation, please reach out to us over at Fantastical Vacations. We plan Disney destinations, Universal Cruise Lines, and all-inclusive resorts.
We're going to Rafiki's Planet Watch and see if we can learn how to draw a character with the Animation Academy. We walked in and the train is almost here, so let's jump off the Wildlife Express and head out there.
All right, so we just got on the Wildlife Express and we are headed out to Rafiki's Planet Watch. We are going to see what character they have for us to draw at the animation experience.
With service to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Here, you'll discover a wide range of animal adventures, from the affection section, where you can get up close and personal with domesticated animals at our veterinary, nutrition, and science centers. Also, be sure to check out the animation experience at Conservation Station, where you can learn to draw your favorite Disney characters, inspired by live animals from one of our animators. For your safety and the safety of those around you, Please sit all the way back against the bench and avoid leaning out toward the railing. Remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop.
Okay, so we came out to the animation experience and we missed the start of it, but they are drawing Dante from Coco. So they're right now doing like, cause it's October 30th when we're recording this, and so they're doing villains and like Coco because of the Day of the Dead coming up. And so once November 1st hits though, they're going to start doing Zootopia characters, and they're doing Zootopia characters for the remainder of the year. So definitely if you're here for the next couple of months, check it out so you can draw yourself maybe a Judy Hopps or a Nick Wilde or something. How are you? All the way to the right side, sir. So just go down here. Just met Rafiki. That was super fun. I don't think I've ever met him before, so it was a little exciting. And starting November 7th, you can meet Judy Hopps and Nick Wilde at Discovery Island. So that will be for the remainder of the year as well, which is a nice additional character perk because those are ones that you don't get to see very often.
All right, that was super fun. We don't get to make it out to Rafiki's Planet Watch very often because we don't jump on this train to go out there all the time.
Just because we just don't.
Just because we don't. We got lucky and we walked up like right when we were getting ready to come back here, so the train was boarding, and then it didn't take too long for the train to, but sometimes you can be waiting there for a little bit. All right, so we still have like 3 hours until our event. I think we're gonna try to get on a walk-up list for Nomad Lounge.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we are? All right, let's do it.
We got on the walk-up list. It's about a 10-minute wait, so we are going to make our way through some of our favorite shops, which include Zuri Sweet Shop, Mombasa Marketplace, and Zawani Traders. All right, look at this adorable mug. It's like the little placard that's on the top of your Kilimanjaro safari ride that shows all the animals that you might be able to see on your safari. It's a coffee mug. It's $16.99. So cute. So we have just a little bit longer before we can meet our group to go see Better Zoogether, and so what better place to spend some time than Nomad.
All right, so the wait time was 10 minutes on the walk-up list, which they called us for an inside table, and it's so nice outside. It's been 68 in the sun, and it's fantastic out here. So we asked if we could get set at an outdoor table, so it took an extra 20 minutes or so, but I'm very pleased with the decision. It's lovely out here. The weather is finally getting to a very, very good place in Central Florida. So I think we're gonna get a couple of beverages and the churros, and then just hang out here until it's time to go see this new show.
So I got my favorite, which is the Hightower Rocks. It is so good. It has got watermelon, tequila, I think some lime in there. It is just, it's perfection.
I got the bourbon cocktail. This is a Tempting Tigress, and while it does not come with one large cube, it is very, very tasty. It comes with bourbon and allspice dram liqueur, tamarind, and lime juice. Cheers. One of my favorites. 3 different rums, 4 different.
All right, we couldn't come to Nomad and not get the churros. They are so amazing here. They have that vanilla cream sauce, but then their seasonal sauce is dulce de leche. Oh my goodness, it is heavenly.
Nomad Lounge is always fantastic.
Always
we
good.
love, love, love hitting up Nomad Lounge. We have but one thing left on our bingo card for tonight, and that is meeting up with this group to do the preview showing of Better Zoogether. really looking forward to this.
I am very much looking forward to this. I'm interested to see how they've changed the show and how, you know, do we still wear glasses? Do we not? Like,
Yeah.
I'm so intrigued.
Yeah, I've been wanting Zootopia to come to Animal Kingdom for quite some time. I was hoping it would go to Rafiki's Planet Watch. You could do like the whole train going out there and all of that. So all of this is like in anticipation of Zootopia 2 coming out at the end of November. But all of this starts pretty quick. November 7th is when the majority of it kicks off for all the Zootopia stuff in Animal Kingdom. Pretty amazing day. Like the weather's been gorgeous.
It's a little chilly right now.
It is a little chilly. It got up to like 71 degrees and then dropped back down to 68 degrees as the clouds came in. It doesn't look like it's gonna rain, but it is definitely overcast, which is, I don't want to say this out loud, but I am cold right now. It's 68 degrees in Florida and I am cold.
I'm like, should I go in there and buy a sweatshirt?
No, that's ridiculous. All right, let's go hit up this show.
All right, we got our carrot vision.
So
They're still glasses.
they are doing glasses. That's unfortunate. But we got them, and we're getting ready to go in the theater. So hopefully this is good.
I'm very excited. So we just got into the theater for Better Zoogether, and it's the same theater, but there's a lot of like Zootopia things on the screen, and you hear like the cute little Zootopia voices, and I'm so looking forward to the show.
Glasses on, everyone! Let's get wild! Let's get wild! So good! I don't hear you wrong! Because we're live in 3, 2. Together day! Live performances from across Zootopia! Unforgettable concert finale from superstar... Yes!
Oh, good!
No, the slot!
Me? So excited!
Yeah, whatever. Come on up! Press that big red button! Weekly responsible, that's totally standard. Okay!
Oh, this one.
No,
That
careful.
one.
The flashing
I'm
one.
really bad at this.
Don't miss the camera!
Maybe the giant blinking one?
Yes!
Wow! Hooray for me!
Why sabotage Together Day?
Okay, Carrot, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you.
Okay, so we just watched Better Zoogether twice. Definitely still 4D.
Yes.
So we had the glasses on, so you have to wear those because the screen's all blurry if you don't, so sorry for that video. And then we felt the little things under our seats like you did with Tough to Be a Bug. You got the air blast in your face, you got smells. There was one point in time where our characters on the screen were like spitting water out, and so I'm pretty sure we were supposed to get the water effect sprayed on us, but we didn't. So I'm not sure that was working. But it was a cute show. It was pretty short, like 10, 11 minutes, somewhere in there.
I think it was probably about the same length as It's Tough to Be a Bug.
It was good.
But a much improved show. Super
Yeah.
Nothing about it will scare anybody.
That's true.
Like the
No
kids-
spiders falling out of the ceiling. That's good.
It's, whereas Tough to Be a Bug, it was like, I was like, well, I don't know, it might be too scary for children. But it was just very, very cute, happy, uplifting. Great.
Really well done. Apparently there is some sort of reception after this, and then we are headed home.
They brought us over to a little reception over here by Festival of the Lion King, and Judy Hopps and Nick Wilde just came out for meet and greets, so we're standing in line for that, and then I think we're going to head home and wrap this up.
Nick Wilde and Judy Hopps are fantastic. What'd you think?
So cute. They were so fun. This has been such a fun day.
has.
It's been very relaxing, very nice. Get back into the park. The weather was gorgeous.
So good. So good.
And it was just lovely hanging out today.
Yes.
All right. Well, if you are liking these videos, please hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.
We will see you on the next video.